10 interesting psychology facts about female attraction. This article contains mental data and realities about female fascination and hetero connections. Like every single mental finding, they address speculations and don't reflect everybody. Various individuals are drawn to various things. Peruse on assuming that you're intrigued. Ladies 1. At the point when you ovulate, you favor manly-looking men. The remainder of the month, you will incline toward men with milder highlights. Development. Manly highlights can be related with conceptive wellness, though gentler elements related with more friendly and caring way of behaving. 2. You are less drawn to men who have a midsection. Science. A lot of stomach fat demonstrates that an individual has lower levels of testosterone, alongside low fruitfulness and lower sex drive. 3. You are more drawn to men with a solid, funny bone. Development. A solid comical inclination is for the most part connected with insight and genuineness characteristics that connote a superior mate. 4. Taking contraception pills makes you less drawn to men with additional articulated manly elements. Science. Contraception influences a lady's chemical levels, make them less drawn to men with manly highlights. 5. Seeing different ladies grinning at a man will cause you to feel that he is more alluring. Development. Exceptionally beneficial people would have been high popular because of his regenerative wellness and expected capacity of being a decent mate. 6. You will incline toward and focus completely on your more alluring kids. Prior inclination. Moms intrinsically expect that those youngsters will have better characteristics and be more friendly, and the additional consideration prompts them really displaying better attributes and trust in mingled conduct more than their less alluring kin. 6. You are more drawn to taller men. Advancement. Tall men have more prominent conceptive accomplishment than more diminutive men because of their more prominent capacity to draw in mates. Besides, taller men are viewed as additional legitimate, giving them an upper benefit in business. 7. You find men with more profound voices more alluring than those with higher voices. Science. Means testosterone levels, conceptive well-being, and so on. 8. You are more drawn to more established men, as opposed to more youthful ones. Advancement. More established men should be visible as being more equipped for fathering kids for their whole grown-up lives safely, because of the greater possibilities of him previously having more assets, in contrast with a more youthful contender. 9. You are bound to be drawn to a man that sense or potentially seems to be your dad. Science. Sexual engraving. Learning the qualities of a beneficial mate when you are youthful through commonality. 10. You are more drawn to a man that has solid shoulders, a tight midriff, and expansive chests and shoulders. Development. The best hunting build. These qualities make up the ideal mate fit to deal with you and your posterity. By fighting